Hi, today we're going to talk about what are the majors name and major value in Tableau. So when we connect the dataset in the Tableau, so Tableau automatically generates some field which contains the multiple majors which are present in the dataset. So here we can see the majors name field and majors value. So majors name contain the name of all of our majors which are present into a dataset. So if we uh, so we can use these field for showing the multiple majors. For example, I'll just take this majors name field and drop it onto the row shelf, and here it is showing no major value. So for showing the value of each field, I'll take the majors value and I'll drop it onto the label. So here you can see there are now five different types of measures showing. One is count of order, discount, profit, quantity, and sales. So these five different types of name, the measures name hold, and the value of each of these measures, uh, which is present into our measures value field. So so this is how we can use the multiple measures in the Tableau. And also, if you want to drop any kind of field for example, if you want to show only discount, profit, quantity, and sales, so you can just take this field count of order and remove this from the major value. So here you can see our field has been removed. Now the only discount, profit, quantity, and sales field are left. And for making the bar chart, for example, let's go to the different sheet. And what I'll just do, I'll double click on the majors value field. After double clicking here you can see the majors name and majors value automatically come onto the row shelf and the column shelf. And it is created the one bar chart which is showing five different types of field which are count of order, discount, profit, quantity, and sales. So here you can see the bar chart is ready. Let's make it bigger. So click on entire view option. So, but we are not getting anything. So for having a little more idea, you just take the majors value field and drop it onto the label. So now you can see the value of each of the field now showing onto our bar chart. So this is how we can use this field in the Tableau. So we can use this field for the multiple measures. So and this is very helpful for creating multiple measures field. So we don't have to drag and drop each of the field. We can directly use measures name and major value field. So thank you.